An essential part of painting is proper preparation. Before you begin, you should apply heavy plastic drop cloths to your floor. That way, if you spill any paint or any drips get on the drop cloth, it won't seep through to your carpet. Also, many people are familiar about applying masking tape. Now, masking tape should be applied to your woodwork, including your baseboards, your doors, and your windows. Now, a lot of people have also seen blue low adhesion masking tape and think, wow, that's a really great tape. I think I'll use that on these areas. I highly recommend that you don't. I'd recommend that you use high adhesion masking tape. The blue tape is for another application. We'll actually cover that in a different part of the video. Also, what most people are not familiar with is that they should mask off their ceiling line as well. So we're actually going to take this opportunity to show you. A commonly asked question from people is, what if my ceiling is texturized? Masking tape won't work up there. Well, that's not the case. And so we actually have a texturized ceiling, and we're going to show you how to do it. First, I'm going to pull off a long piece of masking tape. And now I'm going to apply it to the surface, getting as close to my wall as possible. Once it's on there, just run your hand along there. Now I'm able to do my faux finish and be able to get really close to my ceiling line so it looks like a professional's done the work. After you've done the painting, just pull the masking tape off and your ceiling will be fine. Hi, I'm Barbie, creator of the Woolie line of decorative paint tools. Thanks for watching our instructional video. Watching this will give you professional looking results, and I hope you have as much fun watching it as we did making it.